Hi, I'm Susan Westmoreland, Good Housekeeping's Culinary Director, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious old-fashioned eggnog. This eggnog has a little bit of cornstarch in it, which helps the silky feel and also helps keep the eggs from curdling. Make sure to cook this on medium-low heat. You don't want to curdle the eggs. For the whipped cream topping, try to do it within an hour of serving and then you just fold it in. Thanks for joining us. For more recipes and tips, go to goodhousekeeping.com.